Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the image quality settings in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged in case you have not do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to change the image quality settings. At the top left, right next to PhotoDirector, you will see a button like this, these three lines. Click on it right now. And from here, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, as you can see, lots of options like general settings, personal, and help center. Well, from here, what we need to do is simply focus on image quality settings. In the general settings tab, you will see the button right there. Click on it. Well, do note that you can change the image quality settings to HD, good, or efficient. It's up to you. You can also change it to Ultra HD or Maximum, though it requires you to be subscribed to the Pro version. That is it, guys. That's how we change the image quality settings in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.